Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to repurpose a couple of bakeware pieces to make a beautiful Lazy Susan. And then we are going to convert the Lazy Susan into an elegant table tray. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. For the Lazy Susan, we will need one large pizza pan and two cake pans. To glam up our Lazy Susan, we will need a sheet of silver glitter contact paper and some silver rhinestone ribbon, which I purchased in bulk from Amazon. We will also need one bag of marbles. Any color will do, and I'll show you why a little later. To help us with today's project, we will also be using our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. To begin, cut to size a sheet of silver glitter contact paper. Then, turn the sheet of glitter paper upside down and place it on top of the pizza pan. Using your fingers, gently push down to form the shape of a circle to conform with where the pizza pan dips. Then, use a pencil to trace out the shape of the circle and cut the circle out. Don't be too worried about being precise with the circle. You want the circle to be big enough to cover 99% of the pizza pan. I'll explain later why that is. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you could be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the circle is cut out, remove the backing from the contact paper. Slowly lay down the contact paper into the center of the pizza pan. The contact paper is pretty forgiving, so if your contact paper was placed offside, you can always remove it and try again until you are satisfied. Make sure while you place a contact paper onto the pizza pan that you are gently smoothing out any air bubbles. You can do that with your fingers. Simply apply gentle pressure to where the air bubbles are to squeeze them out. And as you can see here, it took a few tries before I could get the contact paper positioning correct on the pizza pan. Take your time and don't rush it. Just be a little patient and your efforts will pay off. And this is what the pan should look like so far. As you can see, the edges are not perfect and we do have some gaps here and there. But like I said before, we don't need to be precise because we are going to cover those edges and gaps with some beautiful rhinestone ribbon. Using a hot glue gun, apply small dollops of glue in small sections along the back of the ribbon. Then, gently adhere the ribbon to the pan, ensuring the edges and gaps are covered. Next, take one of the cake pans and pour a bag of the glass marbles into the pan. This is where the magic happens. Once all the marbles are placed into the pan, take the second pan and sit it on top of the first cake pan. Now you can use your hand to rotate the top cake pan. Then place the tray on top of the cake pan and once again, you can use your hand to rotate the tray. And there you have it, our Glam Lazy Susan. This Lazy Susan is so versatile and can be used to store different spices or containers of items that are accessed frequently. If you do decide to place your Lazy Susan in the kitchen, I would advise to place dry items onto it so you won't have to worry about washing any sauces or liquids that may drop onto it. Here you can see I have placed a few containers and a napkin holder, and they all fit in very nicely. Now we will take the top tray from our Lazy Susan and repurpose it into an elegant mirrored table tray. For this mirrored table tray, we will also be building some legs using a few crystal doorknobs. First, we start by removing the frame from the mirror. Set aside the frame for a future craft project and take the mirror and glue it down to the center of the tray. You can use either hot glue or for a longer lasting hold and more secure hold, you can also opt to use either E6000 or Fix-All. When you place the mirror down onto the tray, make sure that it is centered correctly. When using hot glue, just be careful because there isn't much time to make adjustments, so make sure you have measured things out ahead of time. But if you prefer not to have to measure anything, then I would suggest using E6000 or Fix-All, as those glue options will take longer to cure, giving you plenty of time to reposition the mirror and make any required adjustments without rushing. And as a last minute decision, I found some leftover silver beaded necklace that I will use to frame the mirror. This additional detail will add to the design of the tray and give it that extra glam factor that I'm looking for. Simply apply small dollops of glue all around the outer edge of the mirror and then lay down the silver beaded necklace to conform to the shape of the mirror. And this is what the table tray looks like so far. But we're not done yet. Take the crystal doorknobs and glue them down to the bottom of the tray. And that's it, our mirrored table tray is done. Here is a final look for our beautiful mirrored table tray with the legs. Please comment down below and let me know which tray you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.